Let's see what he got cooking this time around. Oh, man. I love those two stacked thumbs in the back. It's like a 2-point within itself. Ooh. Very controlled here. I love how meticulous he is with these moves here. It's like I'm watching a puzzle unravel itself. Oh, nice change of concept there with the song. Ooh, that hit. Love the speed control. He just blends into all these connections. Whoa, really cool. Hey, and just for everybody wondering, you know, adding those like digital effects at the end, totally acceptable as long as it's not manipulating the light shell. What an interesting structure that was. We went from more of a technical kind of build into like a flowy blend into like all of a sudden we're in connections. And I think it's very interesting and very also a really good representation of the music for things like trance, because with trance things just seem to blend smoothly, and I think TyDy did that really well. Let's go ahead and watch the next submission from Nightshadow. Yeah, and the color set really okay. It looked like he just changed his set there. Like his set was very clean. The whites look pristine. Very, you know, very underrated tool when it comes down to competing. Very underrated tool. Plays into the subconscious of how clean things could be. All right, here we go. Nightshadow. Ooh. Oh, I like that intro. Oh, I feel it. Man. Very clean. Oh, some gears? The illusion on that move is sick. Nice control. Wow. I love the control in these movements. Very well isolated. And I love how he's singing the lyrics the entire time. How about these lyrics? Love the flow here. Wow. Look at those circles. Mmm. Ooh. Wow. Yo. Woo! What a vibe. I'm just soaking it all in right now. Oh, some depth play? Yeah. Nice. Wow. Good pickup there. Dude, that was so dope. Yo, guys, Nightshadow is a grinder, bro. Compared to the very first video I saw of this guy has leveled the fuck up. I'm gonna just say that right now. That was crazy. I love the use of the poses. I love the use of the depth. I'm obviously kind of biased there, but you know, some of that new incorporated in the show. And I really respect the fact that the repetitive movements of those isolations. I really respect the fact that he committed to doing that sequence for a while, because I think that is also another part of you know, trance, where getting into repetitive movements kind of adds to that, like, hypnotism, you know? And I think that something about trance is very hypnotic. Yeah, shout out to Nightshadow. Really, that's a tough one. Judges, good luck on that one. If you're looking for whites, batteries, skins, or any other gloving accessory, head on over to glow-leds.com and don't forget to use my code AlohaNation for 10% off.